Hello, and welcome to the Funeral Program site, the industry leader in DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized and loving memory keepsakes. Today we're going to learn how to do a text wrap around a photo in Microsoft Word. In this example, I'm going to be using our Rosette Funeral Program template and Microsoft Word 2007 on a Windows computer. The best way to achieve this is by creating tables. First, go to the page you would like to wrap the text on. Usually this would be on the obituary page. Remove the existing text boxes we've provided for you so you have a blank page. Go to the top of the navigation bar to Insert, Table, and create a 1x1 table square. Once you click on that, a table box appears widely on your page. Size it to the appropriate size of the left page column. Do not exceed 5.5 inches on your ruler. Type or paste the text inside the table you just created. You may type in a title at the top of the text if desired. Place your cursor in front of the first word of the entire text. Next, create another table within the larger table box. Don't worry if the inner table box is wide, we'll size it later. Insert your photo inside the second table by placing your cursor inside the box and selecting Insert, Picture at the top of the navigation bar. It will insert large, so we do have to size it down. Select on one of the circular corners and drag inward until the desired size is achieved. On the top left corner of the photo, right-click on the photo table box icon and choose Table, Properties, and Text Wrapping. Before we do that, let's remove the black thin border around the photo by clicking on Borders and Shading. Under Border Setting, select None and click OK. Click on the text wrapping icon now marked Around, because we want our text to wrap around our photo. Click OK and the text now wraps nicely around the photo. At this point, you may want to adjust the left margin. Select all of your text, go to View, Rulers, and slide the margin toggle to the right for the desired spacing. Now let's remove the black border around the outer table box. Locate the table box icon on the top left corner of the box and right-click. Select Borders and Shading and choose None, then click OK. Your text is nicely wrapped around the photo. You can now adjust the line spacing and font choice if desired. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to get upcoming news on great how-to videos, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.